Do you know how to reattach the legs of an equestrian, riding or western Barbie? Let me know if you have one of these in the comments below. I'm Busy Bee from Germany. I'm a long-time Barbie collector and a Barbie dog for almost 10 years. This channel is more than your one-stop Barbie repair workshop. I did a video about this topic many years ago, and I found another of these Barbie doll types, and I thought it would be nice to make another video about this topic. Even in Europe they are hard to find. If you don't know her or if you have never seen her, it's no wonder because she was in European exclusive with her hands in this combination. Let me give you an instruction how to make one Barbie out of the pieces we have here on my workshop today. Do you know how to clean the legs? For cleaning the legs, I recommend you Q-tips and some rubbing alk. Here's my rubbing alk and here are my Q-tips. The easiest way to get rid of the dirt is to clean them with rubbing alk. No, this does not harm the doll. You don't have any fungicides problems after the procedure. It's just the dirt of the decades that we have to remove here. Sometimes the dirt is unwilling to come off, but don't worry, you just need to scrub long enough to get all the stuff away, to get all the dirt of the doll here. You see, my Q-tip is already dirty. Let's use the other end of it. Hope you can see the difference between this part and this part here. I have not used any magic eraser here because we have knee joints and I want to avoid that Barbie will get green knees, but we cannot avoid. I will link you my tutti video above so that you can see what happens when you are not careful. Then she will get green legs. Now that we've cleaned the legs, let's come to the fun part. We can't avoid water here completely, so I do my best here to avoid it, but we needed to soften the legs before we reattach them again. I will let the legs in there for a minute or two and then I will dry them. So for reasons of demonstration I will do this on the second leg too. These legs are not the perfect legs, but for showing you how it works, I think it's okay. So don't worry, they will work out fine. Now she has legs again. I know these legs are not perfect. I hope I have a method to remove these cuts in the legs very soon. I have heard of a technique, but I have not tried it yet. So, give me some time here to educate myself further. To get myself further education in this topic, but I have heard of something because I was asked in the last weeks to tell other collectors what to do when they have a cut in the legs, in the rubber of the legs. So yeah, I know something, but I have not tried it and I will not show it until I have tried it myself. Okay, I hope you have learned something in this episode. This kind of toy was only sold in Europe and Canada as far as I know. I hope this video is useful for some of you. Question of the day is, do you have these dolls with a living body in your collection? Live action living body, they were the first one who had the body. Let me know in the comments below. I hope you share, like and subscribe. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!